Here we have the New Hampshire Lodge. It comes with the millboard UPVC decking, fully landscaped. The holiday home is residential specification, so it's got upgraded insulation and it's got a lovely entrance hall. You've got double doors. There's a sense of arrival into the kitchen. You've got the plinth lighting, washer machine, dishwasher, microwave. On your right, you've got the stacker fridge freezer. Velux windows that are all openable and come with blinds. And then you've got that absolutely magnificent living area. Got a bed in that sofa for occasional use. TV either mounted on the wall where a mirror goes or on the side, whichever you prefer. Got a little love seat in the window over there. Armchairs, plenty of storage. Then your patio doors flow out onto your balcony with your rattan furniture. More storage on that wall. And then two really large bedrooms at the back. Twin bedroom here with a vanity mirror, plenty of storage, 3-foot beds, really nice and wide. Master bathroom, shower, bath, then your master bedroom. Double bed, vanity table, plenty of lighting and mirrors thrown in. Wardrobe, you walk through the wardrobes here into the ensuite. So this is the Hampshire Lodge.